Good morning, guys. Today we continue our free trial on our 2 hours daily. I promise to give you 2 hours free from now till Christmas for us to raise money and enjoy our celebration. I'm trying to see how we can beat the bookies at daily. That's why I introduce our 2 hours for everyone to benefit. And then I believe today will be another great and successful day. So we have 3 matches today, 2 in France and 1 in Spain. So let's get started. The first game we have today is in Spain Amateur League, where UD Maracena is taking on Montreal, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals at full time. The next game I have is a game in the France League One, where Strasbourg is taking on Lille, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The last game I have in this game is a game between Clermont-Foot taking on Stade Rennais, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. That gives us a total of 2 odds on BetWinner. Then I'll also share with you the Sportybet booking code. And in today's game, I want to stake 200,000 naira. That is it. There's my ticket. So I'll go back to Sportybet and share with you today's booking code for those people using Sportybet. And these are the games. 3 matches, 2.55 odds here. So the booking code for Sportybet user is 9D or D9401 F439. So bet responsibly, and always remember to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Do not enjoy alone. Share with your friends on other social media platforms. I will see you tomorrow. Remember again to bet responsibly. Thank you.